Welcome back everybody. So today we're going to be turning a vase out of Sycamore and decorating it with Hampshire Sheen's Carnival Colors. So we're going to start off by getting it around here using some easy wood tools, mid-size finisher. You see I've skipped a lot of the roughing out here because as you can see right on the screen, right dead centre, there is something on the lens which I didn't notice until we got to the editing room. So we're onto the finisher still, and we're taking the vase down to shape. Now we've gone to the mid-size rougher, just to flatten it all out and take it to final shape. And the #1 hollower, just to go around the rim. Got a nice little bark inclusion there, so now we're going to get ready to sort that out. Alright, so we've got the Dremel 8260 here, and we're just going to carve all of that bark out of there. And now we're going to clean it out with a bit of sanding in the drill attachment. There we go, bit of compressed there, and now we're going to get to sanding the rest of the vase. So I'd already sanded up to 320, so now we're going to 400 grit. A little bit of hand sanding. Giving it a wipe down with methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And this is where we go a little bit crazy with the Hampshire Sheen Carnival Colors. I like to call this a lesson learned, but I'm going to leave it up to you when we get to the final pictures to see if it was a fail or not. That being said, if anyone wants to try the Carnival Colors or any other Hampshire Sheen products, there will be a link down in the description. So yeah, on with the rest of the vase. Here the blue. Here the yellow. And a bit of purple. You get to the first coat of sanding sealer here. It's the pre-thin stuff also from Hampshire Sheen. Just going to knock it back so it's all nice and flat. brush it off with a paper towel. A bit more compressed there. And now we're going to apply a second coat. Go. There we go, some Hampshire Sheen gloss finish. Wiping it all over. Right, make sure you get nice even coverage. A couple of seconds to let the fumes evaporate. Buff it out at around about 1200 to around about 1000. Not pressing too hard, so you don't wipe off the wax. Just minimal pressure. And there you go, there's the outside done. There you go. Okay, we've got a forcing a bit here. Now we're just going to drill into the vase. Take a bit of the centre out. Of course, nothing can be easy, can it? Nah. Alright, time to start hollowing now. So we're going to start off with the mid-size #1 hollower. There's a mid-size #3 hollower. And there's the pro size #1 hollower. Just get right down to the bottom of the vase. And there we go. Alright, so we're just going to sand to 240 on the inside here. With a compressed there. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. and some Yorkshire Grit. There will also be links down in the description if you would like to purchase any of this. And finally some wax from Hampshire Sheen.
Present now is my past, so lost in a familiar place, while everybody's moving on.
Like I said earlier, there will be pictures at the end. I'll be interested to know if you think this is a fail or a success by using all of the Carnival Colors from Hampshire Sheen, so please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, share it with your family, share your enemies if you like. And until the next one, I shall catch you later. Bye bye for now.